Going to replace Access 125 damaged park light. First we need to remove both sides of screw. After that, going to remove this front panel. It have two lock. Just press center of lock for unlocking. Now removing its front panel. This is the park light of this vehicle. Just pull back for remove the park light. Pull back the bulb for remove. This is new bulb. Just pressing into the socket for fixing. It is working perfectly. Then going to fix back the socket. After that, fix back the front cover. Finally, fix back its both bottom side locks. Thank you guys for watching.